Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin and discuss what's happening with the coin. Before we get into the details of what's happening, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangyako with a zero at the end. I have a Telegram group where I post my trades and a YouTube channel where I post my thoughts on the market. So if you're into that sort of content, make sure to join my Telegram group and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I recently posted a video on my channel where where I mentioned that I'm shorting Bitcoin right now. And if you also watch the video that I did today on Bitcoin, you will understand why I'm kind of expecting that this rally that we saw here was basically a relief rally and that we are going to reverse now and start probably crash similar to what happened here, right? But after the lunar crash, I feel like that's coming, right? So please make sure to go ahead and watch those videos first before you watch any of the altcoin videos, right? Even before you watch Ethereum, I think it's best for you to watch the video on my channel or the video that I just recorded for FX Street. Either way, let's get into Dogecoin. Right, right at the bat, I can see the Dogecoin is forming this. Looks like an ascending triangle, like at first glance, if you look at it, right? But it's more of a symmetrical triangle than an ascending triangle. I mean, yeah, ascending triangle. So I feel like things are going to escalate only from here. The price is getting squeezed quite a bit, and let's take a look at what's happening with the trend. It's not the wave trend. Hold up. It was not the wave trend. It was. Jeez, what is this? Oh, there it is. Right. If you look at the momentum here, these black crosses that you see here, basically at the zero line, these crosses basically indicate that the price is getting squeezed. And when it turns gray, kind of like here, it means that there's an expansion, right? So basically gray dots indicate that the asset is about to undergo an explosive move, right? Basically, you cannot determine the direction using this indicator. But if you look at the price action, right, and look at this daily wick on the daily candlesticks, you can see that any move beyond this declining trend line was met with extreme selling pressure. So I feel like the next level that the Dogecoin is going to go is lower, basically. And you can see from a lower time frame perspective on a 4-hour time frame, the last time liquidity was collected was basically with this candle on the July 13th crash. There is still uncollected liquidity here. So essentially, this is a double top, right? This one and this one is a double bottom. I'm sorry, it's a double bottom. So there is quite a bit of liquidity resting here. This is the first level. So in case you do short Dogecoin around here with the stop loss somewhere here, you are looking at roughly a 1.2 hour trade, right? But if you want to play it a little risky, you can set the stop losses here. The reason why I'm saying this is because the liquidity resting above this previous high was collected through this particular swing high. So I feel like there's no fear of a manipulation to the upside. So yeah, if you want to play it risky, you can keep it here. If you want to play it safe, you could probably keep it somewhere here at 77 or perhaps just above the body at 75. Either way, I think you are looking at a crash down to 0.75, beyond which there is quite a bit of support. So let's just use a volume profile to see what happened after the May 5th crash, right? It started around May 5th. So you can see from, let's go on a one-day time frame. And okay, it's not happening on a one-day time frame. Let's go here, change this to cool. So what you see here is that basically the volume point of control is absent. Let me just add this. Yeah, currently there is a good amount of support at the volume point of control, which is basically for the selected area extending from 4th May to 29th July. The highest volume for Dogecoin was traded at this level, the red line that you see here, which is roughly 66. right? So once we get a breakdown of 66 on a daily time frame, that is your confirmation to short Shiba Inu, because you can see the next support level is basically present at this level here, basically 56, just around the level that we just marked here, basically because of the liquidity zone, basically. So in a way, you only have to wait for confirmation that will arrive after the close of daily candlestick close below this one. If you want to play it a little risky, like I mentioned, you could probably short it now, or you can just wait for the price to go back up on a lower time frame. Let's see what's happening here, right? On a 15-minute time frame, there's a clear manipulation happening here. Price creates a swing high, sweeps the swing high here, and then price creates a swing low. Basically, this one is swept. This swing low is also swept. So you could probably wait for Shiba Inu to rally up into this level here and short it here. So let me just adjust this from a macro perspective and keep your stop loss at this level. So how's this looking from a 4-hour time frame perspective? Pretty good. Yeah, so let's keep our take profit at this level. Now we are looking at a 16% downswing with the 2.76 hour trade, right? Yeah, that is basically my take for Dogecoin, guys. If you enjoy this analysis and want to know what's happening with these setups, make sure to give me a follow on my Telegram group. And if you also make sure to please like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel.